down here at Kirribilli in North Sydney for the Ocean Paddler Bridge to Beach, the first of a series of races in 2022. It'll be good to see how the Mirage 580 stacks up against some of these surf skis and elite paddlers, and beautiful day down here on the water, so gonna make the most of it. Only sea kayak in the race. That means it's a sure win.
OC1, sea kayak and plastic. If you're not one of those, you're in the wrong way.
One sea kayak. There goes the buzzer. And we're off. We're racing. I'm just about at the finish line, and geez, there's some fast paddlers down here in Sydney. Absolutely got smashed by the dudes on the single skis. Good thing to be part of nonetheless, just getting out on the water and having a bit of a paddle with a bunch of good fellas and lasses. So I'll just give you guys a bit of a sticky beak at the finish line here. How'd you go?
Oh, very well.
Good fun though?
Yeah, good fun.
Right. I didn't come last, but I definitely come first in the sea kayaking division, being the only one in the race. But yeah, definitely those guys on the longer, narrower skis absolutely killed it. What an awesome race to be a part of. But for me, it's not really my thing. I'm more of a journeyman, so I'm going to take myself on a little bit of a journey and explore the beautiful Sydney Harbour here. Right now you're looking at North Head, the entrance to Sydney Harbour. Beautiful part of the coastline. I'm just going to spin my kayak, looking up, look at these amazing cliffs. Check it out behind me, guys. Today's probably more popular or more widely known that the Maoris had a special connection with the whale, but people from where I'm from, the Darkinjung, also had a whale dreaming. The ocean's a very important, plays a very important role on this planet. So we've got to look after it like those original custodians did for thousands and thousands of years. And if you ask real, true blue indigenous people and ask them how long they've been here for, they'll tell you, well, we've been here forever. Because they actually believe that they're everywhere. They're in the rocks, the ocean, the stars, the trees, the animals, and it's a pretty special connection. I think we could learn a lot from the first people who were here in Australia. Survivors, and they hold the key to the future of this planet for all of us.